Alright guys, quick video today because my mom, who's well over 70 years old, needs a new smartphone. Her current phone is this one, the Redmi Note 9S. It's been a solid phone, does all the basics just fine, but the 64 gigs of storage is really starting to drive her crazy. She's constantly deleting photos, videos, and apps just to make space. And with every update, apps are getting bigger. So, it is definitely time for an upgrade. Now here is what she actually needs. Just the basics, so a nice screen, good battery, and smooth performance. She only needs it to do the following things like WhatsApp, checking her bank account, playing a few light games, and watching some YouTube or Netflix or other streaming services. But she doesn't want to spend more than 250 euros. So after a bit of searching, I narrowed it down to two options. Number one, the Samsung Galaxy A36 with 128 gigs of storage, and number two, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro with 256 gigs, and both are quite similar on paper. While the Samsung has a slight edge when it comes to software updates, Samsung usually promises a few years of them. The Redmi, on the other hand, is a bit fake about that, but it's cheaper and it offers double the storage. And when it comes down to the feeling in the hand, this is where things get interesting. The Redmi Note 14 Pro feels surprisingly premium. It's smaller, more compact, and it's just nicer to hold. The Samsung A36 is a bit larger, and that plastic build makes it feel a little cheap in comparison. Performance-wise though, honestly, both feel very similar, like in everyday use. For WhatsApp, YouTube, or light gaming, you won't really notice a difference. I even tried some doom scrolling, on socials, and they feel really similar in terms of performance. So, I went to my mom, I handed both phones to my mom to see which one she liked more. After a few moments, she said both felt much lighter than her old Redmi Note 9S. But then she picked up the Redmi Note 14 Pro, smiled and said, yeah, this is the one I want. And that was it. Decision made. In the end, she went with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro for just 215 euros. Which honestly is a great deal for what you're getting. And the Samsung was also solid, but at 235 euros with only 128 gigs, the Redmi simply made more sense. And I'm happy for her, she's happy, and I think she'll enjoy this phone for many years to come. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just a quick light-hearted one today. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and as always, stay happy. Good luck. Make sure to give your mom sometimes just a little hug. Alright, that's it. See ya.